A side business is a means to earn money in addition to your regular 9-to-5 work. It enables you to earn more money, which will free you up to follow your passions, purchase the items you need or want, and ease any financial concerns. The majority of 9-to-5 occupations don't actually pay the bills, especially if your career is just getting started. Having a little extra money in your pocket each month makes you feel good. It's even more satisfying when the money comes from a side business that doesn't interfere with your regular workday. Listen closely to get additional advice and suggestions for side businesses that might make you wealthier than you were the previous year. The good news is that beginning your own side business offers a variety of opportunities to increase your wealth. In this video, we will talk about top 5 skills to build wealth with side hustles. Hello and welcome to FinancialCare. Before we begin the video, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Number 5. Invest your money. Investing is one of the finest ways to increase your money. The majority of people believe that wealthy individuals exclusively invest. Or they believe that in order to amass any kind of riches, you must be one of the US billionaires. You need to understand that investing isn't exclusively for the wealthy in order to dispel that notion. In reality, investors can make money from a variety of investments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, mutual funds, and other enterprises. Even if you might not be able to just create an investment portfolio, there are practical solutions available, such as Wealth Rocket, that can assist you in managing to invest for a fair price. As soon as you join their investment committee, you'll see that there are a ton of fresh ways to profit from your hard-earned money. The employees of Wealth Rocket have extensive industry knowledge, so they can give you the tools and guidance you need for your particular financial circumstances to help you increase your wealth. Number 4. Go on a creative marketplace. Using online creative markets like Etsy is another method to earn a little more cash each month. This is a smart plan for you if you appreciate creating a particular craft. Painting, jewelry making, and generating individualized items are a few examples of these creative endeavors. The majority of the time, merchants will add their items on their profile for the specified price. The ideal side business for crafty individuals worldwide. Receiving bids from sellers allows you to make your money after the transaction is completed. But investing time into creative marketing campaign ideas really pays off. And it's fun. Business does not always need to be serious. Consumers these days appreciate originality and humor, and these two concepts are often the best place to begin when considering what your creative marketing ideas for 2020 will be. So whether you're focused on creative B2B marketing or want to get more followers on social media, consider this the Bible of creative marketing strategies. Number 3. Sell clothes online. Simply download an app like Postmark or Mercury to start selling clothes online. The marketplace on these applications allows you to post your clothing so that potential customers can view what you're offering. Your items for sale are being spread among a huge number of user accounts. By doing this, this implies that you'll get in front of a large audience that might be interested in purchasing your clothing. The selling process is simple. 1. Take pictures of the items you're selling. 2. Fill out a description. 3. Set the price. 4. Complete the listing. You just print the mailing label once someone makes a purchase and drop it off at the post office. You'll be able to receive your payment from the sale once it has been dispatched, providing you with some additional cash. Number 2. Try freelance websites. The hunt for jobs on freelance websites is the last but most important step. Some of these websites, such as Upwork or Fiverr, serve as global forums for independent contractors. Their labor market is flooded with prospects for employment in a wide range of professions, including writing, technology, coding, editing services, photography, and many more industries. The projects you work on could be very different. However, if you enjoy variety and changing things up, this side business can be ideal for you. Depending on the side jobs you take on and the site you utilize, you might make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 each month. For instance, if your second income objective is to earn an extra $1,000 per month, freelancing as a writer can help you achieve that goal. The key to becoming a successful freelancer is to only charge for the value you will provide. Most independent contractors undercharge, which leads to quick burnout and little benefit. Jobs that are available will be posted and you can apply for them. If you are recruited as a result of your profile, you will be committed to making the agreed upon payment. You can quickly start earning a significant amount of extra money each week from these finished assignments. Number 1. Earnings from Instagram influencers. Most kids dream of becoming famous when they are young. However, not everyone has the talent for singing or acting. Thankfully, you can still create a personal brand for yourself based on your abilities. Maybe you can bake a killer cake or have extremely good fashion sense. Anyone may launch a side business on Instagram by applying to be an influencer. It's okay if you don't like the spotlight. Building an Instagram following for your dog or your photographs is possible. You have a few options for monetizing your Instagram account, including sponsored posts, Instagram takeovers, and online store sales. Is working as an influencer a worthwhile side job? Well, the typical influencer bills $200 to $400 per post. Please feel free to look at influencer rates as this can change depending on the size of your audience. Instagram influencer tip: maintain consistency with the content you share, the frequency with which you post, and the timing of your posts. If people are aware of what to anticipate from your page on a regular basis, you'll get new followers. You won't be able to start making money immediately, so put your time into gaining followers by posting frequently each day. This concludes today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give us big thumbs and subscribe to the channel.